I came upon this site that promises to improve your experience at real work and that can promote your opportunities to be able to get a job because you're going to be involved with a lot of hands-on work on what actually happens within work organizations. And I felt like I should bring this before you. Now, let's just hop right into it and see what exactly it's all about. So I'm going to just open a browser, and you can always use just any browser to do just that. So I'm going to just open my browser, and the site is actually called the Forage.com. Okay, the Forage.com, and I'm just going to hit my enter button, and this is what comes up. So it comes up like this. You're clicking anything, you're not going to be able to do anything. And I quickly figured out that I need to just accept the cookies. Well, I don't want to go through a lot of cookie settings and all of that, so I just click on accept. And this is what it comes up with. And this video is just going to we're just going to explore, you get it, explore what this whole thing is all about. And so it's got an explore page, and so we're looking at this. It says anyway, it says build confidence, gets the job, explore career and prepare for the job with hundreds of free job simulations designed by the world's top employer. So when it says simulations, it is very clear that likely it's going to give you tasks that's my expectation. It's like going to give you tasks that you would see, and they resemble tasks that you will see if you were actually working, and you can work on it hands-on. So let's explore. So just looking at this, I can see job simulation, develop practical skills and gain a hiring advantage with online courses that reflect the work done on the job. So you've got banking and finance, data, security, career path, and all of those things. Now, let me just try to click on this data. All of them are interesting. I would love to know something about this, but let's just start with this because I was making this video, especially for those who love data analysis. So let's see what it gives us. So it comes in here. So I guess that's an opportunity because I thought I will have to, sign up before I can see what is going on. So, okay, let's see what this is. Job simulation for you, a risk-free way to experience a day in the life of leading employers, practice your skill, and build your confidence to ACE application. All right, so very good. It allows us to look at different fields. Now, this really will be very interesting. It's something I'm thinking it's really going to help job seekers. It's something to try because I've always wanted a situation where job seekers can get to know what's in there before they get in there, and it allows you to choose companies. So you can see that there are varied companies here that you can actually choose from, quite a lot of them. I guess if I just leave it like that, it's just going to say, oh, but anyway, so here it has the data visualization, empowering business with effective insights. And there's a time duration here. So it says data and it calls it intermediate. So that's interesting. So you can easily be able to see which is advanced, which is, things like that, and so on like that. So what we can do is let's dive into one. I guess you might want to know, I'm not seeing anything here that is basic, but things that are quite high, and it's saying 5 hours today. So let's get to this one that talks about Power BI. I'm going to just click on it. And let's see what comes out of it. It says Power BI, get Power BI skills in shape with PwC, data free. So this should be one of the free ones. Complete work that simulates life on a job, 5 to 6 hours. and self-paced. So what it means self-paced is, well, it's going to take you about 5 6 hours, but you can pace it at your pace. You can run it and stand out in your application to PwC Switzerland. Show us you're a motivated candidate, start free. Okay, that's quite interesting. So what I dig from this is that, if you this is one way you can show to employers that you know what you're doing. So looks like a great site. I've always loved something like this. I hate CVs. If I can eliminate CVs, I would do that all over the world. If I can eliminate CVs, opportunities like this that help you to show what you can do, I think it's best. So you might want to take advantage of it. Anyway, that's if we see that if it's something that is worthwhile. So it says, why complete our job simulation self-paced, no grades, no assessments, and it's intermediate level. Fiddling around in Excel sheets just doesn't suit a digital JD in Switzerland. So this is all things that, so it tells you how it works. Complete tasks guided by pre-recorded videos and example answers from our team. No live sessions, all self-paced, and a certificate and add it to your resume and LinkedIn. That's interesting. So you can see that this can go into LinkedIn as an extracurricular activity. So I don't see why you shouldn't be doing this. And I think it's an opportunity for you to go to the site and just, like I'm doing. So about us, okay, so this is something you can take and learn. So if you just click it, I guess it will just start telling you things about what they do, how they do the company. Anyway, good. So let's check the task session. So this is a task session. Wow, that's interesting. So this is the task section, task 1, introduction, and what you learn, the importance of digital transformation, upskilling. I'm actually looking for where I need to crunch data. You get it. What you will do, it says watch videos on digital upskilling and journey of driving, okay. So this first tax. What does tax 2 call center? What you learn, the importance of upskilling, and so how to create Power BI dashboards too. So if you've learned things about Power BI and I don't want you, do not be scared. They have said that they are not assessing you. So just go in, take it. You see, like what you will do, create a dashboard in Power BI to visualize relevant KPIs and metrics in the data set provided. So this is great. This is what I was looking for. Utilize resources provided, including podcasts and articles, to enhance your understanding of data visualization and upskilling, which is great. What I'm anticipating here is possibly how they want their visualizations to be. And I know PwC, much of these big fours have their principles, have their guidelines. So you're going to learn that. And I can tell you that if you're somebody that have just been doing visualizations based on what you think is right, I mean, this is going to be a great resource for you to align with best practice all over the world. It says respond to clients' requests by providing a well-designed Power BI dashboard reflecting requested KPIs. Fine. So it's going to be like your boss is telling you do this and let's see what it is, and based on that knowledge you are able to create something. So what's tax 3 like? You see, it helps you to see what obtains within the business, how to define KPI performance indicators and related to customer retention and all of that. And it gives you a task, create a dashboard using the defined KPIs to reflect customer demographics and insight. For somebody very new with Power BI, this is going to be something that I want you to just go into and learn. Go into it and learn. Don't care about how long it takes you to do that. Just go in there and learn. You get it. So later on, you're going to do other tasks from different companies, and you're going to be just good at it. For me, first time seeing this site, it is just great. It is something I would want everybody to get into. Like I said, this is for somebody in data, but you can see that the site has got something for just everybody, not just people in data, people in finance, I'm anticipating that in finance, I'm going to see a lot of financial modeling, task. That's just, I come from a finance background, but have a great love for data and data analysis. Data anywhere, data anything, you get it. That's just it. So so you can come in, look at it. It's not just for only data people, it's for just any this great site that you need to come in and be in it. So and so you can see, so we already see that you'll be creating things, you'll be having tags. So this is just a simulation of what it would be. So for me, I feel it's great. I feel this is great. So, and everything is just here for you, to do. So I'm wondering, okay, some say there's a blog. So I want to believe that the blog helps you to see or get some important information about job related things. You can just go in there and explore top careers, hiring diaries, and so on like that. This is really great. I'm wondering who's putting all of this together. So about us, so it's somewhere you can look through, but I think they are great people that have just come to put this together for you. So that leaves you all right. These are the people behind much of what is happening here, and I think that's great. They deserve credit for coming out with what you have right here. All right. For employers, for educators, well, that's for persons in these fields to check out possibly whatever opportunities are there, to get this going on. So it's something you should. So I'm going to advise you to just sign up and then get to know it. So I guess it's just the way you do any other sign-ups. You're going to get real world work experience, build skills employers are looking for, set yourself apart from other candidates. I think this is for me the best school you should go to after your studies, after your data analysis training, after your whatever. This is where you can come to really see what things are like out there in the workplace. So it says already have an account, create a free account. I don't know if there's going to be a paid account, but whatever it is, I think this is what it. So I guess they want you to enter your email and possibly want you to verify. I know it's going to be a simple process for you to do, so let me just try. Let's see. All right, so I just put that there and it lights up this to say create a free account. So I'm going to do that. Oh, it's going to have a lot of things inside. First name. And it says, and finally, you are ready to be discovered by top companies and all of that. Continue later. And yes, I'm ready. And so many things like that. So yes, I'm ready, and welcome to Forage. Build your experience, grow your confidence, and all of those whatsoever that is there. And so what's it going to come up with? Recommended job simulations and so on. So I guess it wants me to do my search, and also I have sales, I have software engineering. Isn't that interesting? And I have commercial law. I told you it's just for everybody. And right now, of course, is parts for these careers. That's investment banking. Wow, that's much of my experience, and software engineering. So those are things you might want to explore and look at. So it's got me in there. and job simulation parts, view all of them. So if I click on view all of them, I'm definitely going to see things in different areas: law, profession, entrepreneur and innovation, this. And so it says I've got 320, different, these are taxed as well. So that's it for this. What would be in my dashboard? I know nothing would be in my dashboard for now. Okay, so maybe my achievements, applications, and all of those things that may be needed and is here. All right, so I think that's all. That's just a tour of everything that happens in here. I guess you have learned something, and hope to see you in another video. Thank you.